Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy challah bread French toast. I really enjoyed this recipe, so let's get started. In a bowl, combine 1 egg, milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger powder, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. All the exact measurements will be down in my description. Next, dip your bread into the mixture. Then grease the pan with butter and cook your French toast over medium heat. It should look like this. Next, plate your French toast. I added maple syrup and powdered sugar to my French toast. And you're done. Enjoy!